Hello there. Group 3 presentation on Chapter 7 by Ryan Jackson, Keith Downing, and this is Keith Downing presenting How to Design Our Organization and Architecture with Conway's Law in Mind. Organizational archetypes. We have the three types here we're going to talk about: functional-oriented organizations, matrix-oriented organizations, and market-oriented organizations. Problems often caused by overly functional orientation. Long lead times, little visibility, escalating, de-escalating problems. With each team being put in a group of similar people, it leads to long lead times where we must open tickets with multiple groups and coordinate work handoffs, resulting in long queues at every step. A second problem lies with the person performing the work having little understanding of how their work relates to the final goals. This places the workers in a creativity and motivation vacuum. The third problem deals with problem escalation. Teams need to escalate issues to a manager or director who can then prioritize and then de-escalate the issue back down to the team, resulting in a work crawl. Enable market-oriented teams. They'll focus on optimizing for speed, and they're going to try to remove optimizing for cost. We need to reduce the effects of functional orientation for optimizing for cost, and enable market orientation for optimizing for speed. By having teams work on all feature development in addition to testing and supporting their service from idea conception to retirement, these teams are able to get everything out faster. This model has been adopted by companies like Amazon and Netflix. Making functional orientation work. We can achieve our desired DevOps outcomes through functional orientation as long as everyone in the value stream views customer and organizational outcomes as a shared goal. This can include companies like Etsy, Google, and GitHub. Enable every team member to be testing, operations, and security as everyone's job every day. Dev and ops working together. Focus is to have on the job of the ops, make sure dev can properly execute the goals. Enable every team member to be a generalist. When departments specialize, it results in sovereign state situations. Have engineers have deep expertise in one area, but have familiarity in all areas. And it lets people step up to solve problems. Fund not projects, but services and products. Keep people on projects after they've finished and allow developers to see long-term consequences of decisions they make. Design team boundaries in accordance with the Conway's Law. Got to maintain effective communication between the people and teams. Enable small teams to be independently productive. Create loosely coupled architectures to enable developer productivity and safety. In tightly coupled architecture, small changes can result in large-scale failures. Loosely coupled means that services can update in production independently. Developers should be able to update code without knowing what's going on with their peers, and companies like this using this include Google and Amazon. And keep the team small. The two-pizza team rule. Team should be only large as can be fed with 2 pizzas. Companies that use this include Target. In conclusion, architecture and organizational design can dramatically improve our outcomes. The references today were the Text DevOps Handbook, pages 77 through 93. This is Keith Downing, Group 3, Chapter 7 presentation. Thank you.